Yogi Adityanath gave a directive that shops on the Kawar Yatra route must display owners' names. The Muzaffarnagar police say the idea is to prevent Kawariyas from accidentally buying food from Muslim-owned shops which they consider unholy during their pilgrimage. While the focus should have been on Kawar Yatra, what the directive did was trigger yet another Hindu-Muslim episode. The Kawar Yatra has often seen incidents of violence and vandalism, especially in northern states like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Haryana. But who are Kawariyas and what's the Kawar Yatra all about? Kawar Yatra is one of India's biggest annual religious gatherings. During the Hindu month of Shravan, devotees of Lord Shiva, known as Kawariyas, travel to holy places like Haridwar, Gaumukh and Gangotri to collect water from the Ganga. They carry this water in pots hanging from a stick called a kawar. This practice connects to the legend of Samudra Manthan, where Lord Shiva consumed poison to save the world, and offering the holy water is believed to relieve him of the poison's negative energy. The UP government's move attracted reactions from all corners, with even NDA allies criticizing it.
यह कानून या ये फरमान मोदी जी की इस अवधारणा के विरुद्ध है, सबका साथ, सबका विकास और सबका विश्वास। इससे विभाजन जो सांप्रदायिक है वो होता है।
मैं बस इतना मानता हूं कि एक अमीर है और दूसरा गरीब है। अमीर वर्ग में भी हर जात पात धर्म मज़हब के लोग मिलेंगे, गरीब जाति में भी आपको हर जात पात धर्म मज़हब के लोग मिलेंगे। इन दोनों के बीच की खाई को हम लोग को पाटने की ज़रूरत है और हर सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है कि उस गरीब वर्ग के लिए काम करे। उस गरीब वर्ग में आपको दलित भी मिलेंगे, पिछड़ा भी मिलेंगे, अपर कास्ट के भी मिलेंगे, मुस्लिम भी मिलेंगे, सब आपको मिलेंगे। उनके लिए काम करने की ज़रूरत है। तो जहाँ पे भी ऐसे डिवाइड जातीयता के नाम पे हो या धर्म के नाम पर हो, मैं कतई उसको ना मैं समर्थन करता हूँ, ना मैं उसको बढ़ावा देना चाहता हूँ।
Those who have shops on the Kawar Yatra route say that the Yatris have never differentiated between Hindus and Muslims while undertaking their journey.
जी सभी खरीदते हैं, हिंदू भाई मुसलमान भाई सब खरीदते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं।
If this year it's the name board issue, last year it was a truck crash that killed 4 Kawariyas and injured at least 15. The UP government also banned the sale of meat on Kawar Yatra routes. In 2022, the Kawar pilgrimage resumed after a 2-year gap due to COVID restrictions, with only chosen routes to undertake the yatra. The devotees will certainly stay away from meat during their holy journey. So why ban meat sale and create a divide? Until the late 1980s, the Kawar Yatra was undertaken by a few. Today, several devotees undertake the yatra, but every year, Kawar Yatra seems to be in the news for wrong reasons. Wonder why is that?